Who's this Jason Voorhees guy? For some reason I haven't used it. Oh god, I ran into that one.
Oh my god. Holy crap!
Your side either, wanker.
Holy crap, guys!
Ice cream while I'm playing TF2. I have no
You
life.
don't understand. I just unboxed the potassium bond.
I know, I saw it, I saw it.
This is for real. That wasn't a bind or anything.
I know, I'm sure it is. I can see it. Damn, dude.
Ow.
Chill.
Why the fuck are you lying? Are you kidding? Who's just lying? I got the banana hat. Got the
Never
banana
said you
hat.
didn't get it, though. I don't know why you thought someone said you didn't.
You don't understand, Scout. I got the banana hat. You don't understand.
Was the banana hat the moon hat?
It's the banana hat. It's a banana. It's an all
Is it
black.
legit banana or is it the moon that looks like a banana?
Looks like a banana. Where are you? Who are you?
Wow. There's like so many people spawn camping.
Here, I'll just go into
Hey,
spawn
do you
and
think you
spawn.
can slay half the damn thing for us?
Got a banana.
Yes, I'm a banana now.
PP,
You need to wear that forever.
do you think
Yes.
you can slay half the team so we can get out of our spawn area?
Give me a second. I gotta unbox the rest of my crap.
Man, there's Dome Man, I think, placing 6 on spawn. Yep. What?
Evil contract delivery.
Yeah, their entire team is literally right outside spawn.
Can you slay blue team for us,
Yay! Space Siren. Hi, Cupcake.
because they literally got a sentry in front of the door, it looks like.
Oh, they do?
There's no sentry anywhere.
Oh, they don't have a sentry out here. There's a whole bunch of them that will knock you, but otherwise nobody else, really. Why? Hey, wait, I think I found... Here,
I got a banana hat.
Cupcake,
though. That's pretty good, right?
Cupcake, come here. Cupcake, behind you. Yeah, I have an idea. Ready? There we go. Everybody's gone. Oh, I'm not dead. Oh. But as soon as the heavy gets out there, everybody just vanished.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! But at least I got the potassium bonnet.
Okay. Oh,
That's great, congrats.
I am charged.
They just ate a grenade.
yeah.
Oh my god, you were stop talking shit like a little bitch!
For some reason,